Hello guys, welcome back to another video on SaaS Hurdle. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review TagMango. So TagMango is a tool, it's an all-in-one platform that is going to be super helpful for creators as well as coaches. It has a lot of features such as you can sell your live workshops, workshop sessions. You can also create courses and sell them directly on TagMango. And one of the best features on here is that you can even create memberships, which is simply amazing. And obviously everything that you are doing on here, you can do under your own brand. There is also payment option, built-in payment options, as well as some marketing tools. And here are some of the features. As you can see, you can build and sell courses. You can launch no-code landing pages, you can even automate email notifications, and also you can foster a very healthy educational ecosystem on here. And TagMango is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The price starts at $79 as you can see. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So as you can see on Appsumo, TagMango has 4 different tiers. The tier 1 is going to cost $79. Here you can create 3 landing pages. You can add unlimited products, which is amazing. Even from the tier 1, which is the lowest tier, you can add unlimited products. You have 20 GB of storage. You have 5 admin seats. The customer limit or the members limit is 500 on here. And the Zoom meeting features is not available on the tier 1. The platform commission fee is 7.5% for tier 1. Obviously, if you want to lower it, you have to opt for a higher tier. And the best part is the tier 4 doesn't have any platform commissions at all. And then there are also some other features such as the storefront, custom domain, course LMS, learning management system, feed and messages rooms, email automation, one-on-one consultation, certificate automation, analytics, setup fee, team management. But keep in mind on tier 1, tier 2 and 3, these tiers do not have access to the application, the Android and iOS applications, as well as the app notifications. You can only get these features if you purchase the tier 4. And also I think tier 4 can be an excellent purchase because it has unlimited number of almost any of the limits. And also the storage is massive with 300 GB of storage. You can also get the Zoom meeting feature for 1 year. There is no platform commission fee. And also you get 2 additional features that are not available on any other tiers. So if you want to buy TagMango on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now, before I show you how TagMango works, let me first take a look at the roadmap. Okay, so on the roadmap, there are some features that are going to be coming soon. And to be honest, all of them look amazing. They're going to add so much value to this tool. So first of all, we have this AI landing page builder. So there are a lot of AI builders right now. AI app builder, AI site builder, AI presentation builder, AI content builder, so many different things. So AI was much needed on a tool like TagMango. And that is exactly you are going to get very soon. The AI landing page builder is going to come up soon on this tool. As you can see, these are going to be the features. Appsumo deal holders are going to get access to this particular feature. And then there is another very important feature, that is WhatsApp connector. So using this, you can send WhatsApp messages directly from TagMango, which is amazing. So it is going to be integrated with your business account. And once again, it is going to be available for all the Appsumo deal holders. And then there is also AI Copilot. This is yet going to be another amazing feature. As you can see, you can empower your coaching journey with an intelligent assistant that guides you every step of the way. So these are 3 of the massive features that are going to arrive soon on TagMango. Now let me show you how this tool is going to work. Okay, so after you log into TagMango, you are going to get a dashboard just like this one. As you can see, you have to set up some things on here such as your KYC. And then there are also some onboarding steps. You can create your offering. You can set up your store. You can build your course, workshop, landing page, all of these different things in order to get started on TagMango. But currently we are in dashboard. There is also this feed, the social feed or the news feed that you can see on social media like Facebook. So this is exactly that. You can post photos, videos, audios, even links on here. Your members can share various things, various content, and all of them are going to appear on here just like your social media. And you can share it super easily from here. So as you can see, this seems very similar to Facebook if you have used Facebook. And when you want to create a new post and share it, you can also include your mangoes on here. So mangoes are basically payment pages. So you can also include them or even exclude them if you want. You can also add various tags on your post. You can also add photo, video, audio, and even create a poll. And the best part is you can also schedule your post from here. So this is the feed, the news feed or the social feed. And then there is this workshop section. As you can see, all of your workshops are going to appear on here. The upcoming workshop, the completed ones, you can see all of them on one single place. And then also there is courses section. So all of your courses are going to be here. And then all of your messages. So just like any social platform or membership platform, obviously people might want to message you for some purposes. You can see all of the messages on here. So currently we are in this chat room section, which means on here you can see all of your chat rooms or groups and also the individual inbox. So now let me go back to the dashboard and now let me show you some of the features. So first of all, we have this analytics. So here you can see detailed analytics about your, for example, checkout pages currently. So the amount of visits you are getting on the checkout pages as well as the conversion rate. And the best part is there is going to be even a graph or a chart that is going to show you in detail about your total visit and purchases, the conversion rate, the date range, and obviously you can select the date range from on top. As you can see, you can also see various analytics about the transactions, about all of your users, about the broadcast on email, WhatsApp, and also notifications, page views, and also analytics about your courses. Okay, so this feature is going to be coming soon. And now let me go to this Mango. And as you can see, as I have said earlier, Mangoes are basically payment pages you can link to your workshops, courses, communities, or even some other places. And in order to create your Mango, just click on here. And now you have to set up the details of this by filling all these details. And the best part is you can even get a preview on the right side, I think. So as you can see, we have given the title and we can also add a cover image for the payment page. We can also add a description on here. And obviously everything that you add, you can see on this right side. So this is the preview page. And you also have all the formatting options if you want to format your text, your description. And then there are some options you can enable or disable, such as free Mango workshops or one-on-one consultations. If you want to add this, include this, you can enable this. And if you don't, just keep it disabled. You can also enable subscription or recurring payment. And you can also allow the users to pay what they want, or you can also set a price on here. For example, the price is going to be $50. And also if you want to add a discount, just click on here and then you can add the discount. So just like this, you can create the Mango. And after the details, there is also payment details. You can also add various payment details such as custom field. So you can add various custom fields as you can see on here. You can also add various terms and conditions on the payment, as well as you can adjust some advanced settings. There is also this payment success page, which means once the payment is done, once the payment has been collected, what is the page is going to show. So you can exactly customize that on here. You can add a custom section with image, video, or a content. And then you can also add a custom script, customize the button, and also redirect the URL to somewhere else. I'm just going to save this Mango. So as you can see, it has been saved. Now I can share this Mango directly on my feed, on my social or news feed. Okay, so here's my Mango link as you can see. And here is my status. So this is how you can super easily create the Mango or the payment pages from here. And once you do that, you can now create your products such as courses or workshops or even one-on-one consultation. So first of all, let me show you courses. So I'm just going to create a course. So for example, I want to create a course about AI videos. So the name is going to be AI video course. And now I can add a Mango so that people can pay for this course. So I have added this. Now let's continue. Okay, so the course has been created as you can see. I can also upload the course, I think, to Mango Cloud, which means it is going to be saved on the cloud. And as you can see, one chapter has been added. I can also add more chapters. As you can see, once I add a new chapter, all I have to do is just provide a title. So as you can see, I have added another chapter on here. And I can also change the position. So if I want to make this chapter 1, I can also do that just by dragging and dropping. And then I can also add more chapters. So as you can see, I have added another chapter on here. And I can also change the position. So if I want to make this chapter 1, I can also do that just by dragging and dropping. And then I can also add more chapters. So if I want to make this chapter 2, I can also do that just by dragging and dropping. And then I can also add more chapters. So as you can see, I have added another chapter on here. And I can also change the position. So if I want to make this chapter 2, I can also do that just by dragging and dropping. And then I can also add more chapters. So if I want to make this chapter 3, I can also do that just by dragging and dropping. And then I can also add more chapters. So if I want to make this chapter 4, I can also do that just by dragging and dropping. And then I can also add more chapters. So if I want to make this chapter 5, I can also do that just by dragging and dropping. And then I can also add more chapters. So if I want to make this chapter 6, I can also do that just by dragging and dropping. And then I can also add more chapters. So if I want to make this chapter I can also add certain content to each of the chapter. For example, if I want to add a content to this introduction, just click on here and now just see how many different types of content I can add. So first of all, I can upload from the TagMango cloud, which means if there is any file, if there is any content on the cloud server of TagMango, obviously TagMango is going to give you a storage. So if there is any content on there, I can also import that content directly from here, and then I can add video, I can add audio, I can add various images, PDF, assignment, embedded link, as well as articles or text. So this is how I can add various chapters, and I can also add a new section. So first of all, we have this introduction section. I can also add another section. As you can see, let me give a title. So for example, this is going to be the second section. So I'm just going to save this section. And now I can start adding more chapters. Just like I have added 2 chapters on introduction, I can add more chapters on this AI video tool section. And then once I add a chapter, so after adding the chapter, I can also add various content just like I showed you before. And other than this curriculum, there are also some other changes that I can make, such as information. I can add various information about this course in order to set it up, such as the title. I can select mangoes or payment pages, the description for this course, cover image, video thumbnail, various settings. I can add its validity, show if it is as locked. I can also adjust the engagement settings. And then there is also this drip feature. So I can select exactly when the content is going to be unlocked. So it could be after a student enrollment date, on a specific date, by completion, or I can simply just keep it no drip if I want. And then I can see various reports or statistics about my course. As you can see, course completion statistics, chapter completion, as well as leaderboard. I can also see all of the comments. So obviously people can add comments to my courses. They can ask various questions. I can see all of them in one place on here, so I can reply to all of them. I can also get all the Q&As, all the questions on my course, all the assignment responses, which means if I assign my students with certain assignments or tasks, I can see if they have completed that and submitted that with the submission rate, average score, passing, retake, all of these different statistics. And the best part is users can obviously add all of the reviews about your courses, and they are going to appear on here. So you can approve or not approve your reviews from here. And then there is also this Q&A chatbot. So I think all of the courses are going to have a chatbot, the chatbot that can answer various questions about that course once you give enough information to feed the chatbot. And you can see the analytics for that chatbot on here, such as the total users, questions, satisfied conversations, satisfaction rate, and unsatisfied conversations. So these are basically all the options you get on the courses section. And after courses, there's this workshops. So you can also create live workshops if you want. So all you have to do is just provide all these details, as you can see, title, thumbnail, and then you can also select a custom meeting platform such as Google Meet, Zoom, or something else. You have to select the time zone, the exact date, and if it is a recurring workshop, you have to enable this, and you have to provide the external meeting link on here. And you can obviously select your mango on here, and you can also exclude certain customers if you want. And if there's any mango you want to upsell, you can add that particular mango or the payment page on here. And last but not least, you can provide a description about your workshop on this section, on this box. Using all of these features, you can create a workshop super easily. And then there is also this one-on-one consultation. So for one-on-one consultation, we have 2 options. So one is event, and the best part is there is Google Calendar integration. So you can link your Google Calendar, integrate with the Google Calendar if you want to import the events from your calendar, already existing events. But you can also create individual events from here. As you can see, you have to fill up all these boxes, and then you can save and proceed to create the events. And obviously on the events, you're going to get a lot of bookings. So all of the bookings are going to appear on here, and you're going to get them separately with upcoming bookings as well as previous bookings. Once you have a lot of bookings and you want to export the data, you can simply export it as a CSV file. You can also cancel certain bookings if you want. And then there's the sales section. So on here you can see your earnings. You can manage your earnings. So the total amount of sales is going to appear on this box, and the mango's earnings, which means exactly how much money is each of the mango making. You can see that on here separately. So as you can see, currently only one mango is here. This is a one-time mango. It is active. I can see the invoice for this mango on here. And other than earnings, there is also these transactions. All of the transactions are going to appear on here. All the subscriptions and also all the withdrawals are going to appear on this section. And there is this page builder. I think this is going to be a landing page builder. So if I will go here, Mango pages, yes, this has to be a landing page builder. As you can see, there are a lot of templates. And the best part is you can choose any of this template in order to start creating your own pages with these certain templates. There are a lot of templates. Some templates are premium, as you can see, but you can also create one manually from here. Just select your Mango and then save it. And now we are going to be redirected to the page builder. And as you can see, the page builder has opened. So this is the desktop view, the tablet view, and also the mobile view. So now we can add various sections, various blocks, and just see how many blocks are available. And on the element structure, there is header, navigation bar, section, div, container, 1 column, 2 columns. So just like this, if you click on any of this structure, any of these elements, and if you drag and drop it, you can start creating your landing page. And just like this, you can add some other blocks. There are also some basic blocks such as the countdown, the buttons, the heading. So you can add all of this. You can even add a form block if you want. And there are also some advanced options such as embedding code, map, or tabs. And then there are also some design blocks, as you can see. So these are all the design blocks: hero design block, feature design blocks, steps, statistics, content, and a lot more. And also some saved blocks. So if you saved any block, they are going to appear on here. And then you can also add the layer or see the layer of your landing page. You can change various settings such as retargeting codes, even SEO settings is here, so that the landing page that you're making, that can be SEO optimized. And then you can also set up your pop-up, lazy loader, and backups. You can import code if you want. And also you can see all of your assets and external assets on here. A lot of external assets are here, so you can also use these assets. And on the right side, you can change the style settings. As you can see, all of the settings are here. And also some page settings and also the animation settings. And obviously, if you want to edit certain block, just click on that, and all of the editing settings for that block is going to appear on the right side. So this is basically how you can create the landing page. And there is also a website builder that is going to be available only for the premium members, and also storefront. So you can even create your store on here. And creating this store is super easy. All you have to do is just add section, add a banner, row, or list. So let me add a banner. Okay, so the banner or the section has been added. Now I can add a slide on here, or I can even add a new section. So just like this, I can create my store and also preview this store. And as you can see, the storefront is now active, and here's the link. I can copy this link and share it anywhere I want. And after the page builder, website builder, we also have customer section, where you can see various details about all of your customers, such as the customer and then their contact, the mangoes for each customer, payment cycle, last transaction date, all of these details. You can also add more customers if you want, and you can also see all of your leads. So you can collect the leads from form responses or drop-offs. And there are also some marketing features such as the broadcast. So you can create a new broadcast. It could be an email broadcast, so you can engage your audience with a customized email broadcast, or a WhatsApp broadcast, or even a notification broadcast. So let me show you this email broadcast. So for that, you have to provide the title of your email, and you have to import the recipients. You can do that either from Mangoes, which means your payment pages, or even from your CSV file. And since I have selected Mangoes, I have to provide the Mango link or include the Mango on here. And if I want to upload a CSV, I have to upload that file on here. So just like this, I can create a new email broadcast so that I can engage certain customers with the email broadcast. And then there is also this banner section, which is once again for the premium members, and also coupons. So you can create coupon in order to give some discount to your customers if you want. And all you have to do is just click on here, and from here you can create the coupon. And then there are some automations. So here's the email automation, as you can see, and there are a lot of templates in order to make sure you get started on the automation super easily. You do not have to create a lot of automations with complication. And then also WhatsApp automation. So you have templates for that. So you can create the template for that. And then there is also event personalization, the account management, and then there is also certificates. So you can also provide certificates to your customers or your students if you want. And as you can see, there are some templates for that on here. And then also some platform integrations. So this is amazing. There are two of the most popular integrations that are available. One is Zapier and another is Pabbly Connect. And then there are also some other features such as the partnerships with affiliates, gamification features, and also some settings that you can change. So overall, TagMango is an excellent tool that lets you create your own social network. You can sell your courses, you can sell live workshops, you can also create membership with your own branding, you can manage the payments. So all of these tasks are going to be from one single dashboard, and there are also a lot of more features such as a very good landing or website builder, landing page builder with automations, email automation, WhatsApp automation, and also there are a lot of upcoming AI exciting features that are going to arrive soon. So if you want to buy TagMango on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. And as you can see, there are currently 4 tiers, and each of the tiers has certain features as you can see on here.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.